Happy birthday.
Hiya.
So have you got a lot of presents?
I got loads done really well today.
Yeah.
It's my birthday and I'm very happy.
Aye. From your sweet
my
best.
dog.
It's a big birthday present, isn't it?
Hi.
You just putting your makeup?
No, I'm taking makeup, last night's makeup off because I was out on the town with the girls for it's actually my leaving do and my birthday. Because we're going off to New Zealand.
To live?
Yes!
Yay! In 2 weeks.
So a lot of partying to do before we go.
And packing.
I got some nice presents. I got J-Lo.
Oh, that's good. Other products are available.
My face cleaning now, makeup on.
Yeah.
Last night.
I'll go and make you a coffee.
I'm putting my socks on because it's a bit nippy this morning. Sun's shining but nice.